This is the Ring Video Doorbell. There's a good chance you've seen one, pressed one, heard one, or even talked to someone through one.
Hello?
Oh, hi. I didn't think anyone was home.
Well, with the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. That's because with the Ring app, your home is on your phone.
Anything going on at the house, honey?
Not a thing.
If someone's delivering a package,
Package for John?
tell them where to leave it from the park.
Okay, thanks. Oh my gosh.
If someone's stealing your chairs,
Hey! Those are mine!
you can stop them from the chairlift.
You can see your house from up here?
Oh, yeah.
And if your friends show up to drag you out of the house,
Come on, Callie, we're going out. Hey, girl!
well, you can see them without getting up from the couch.
Don't let them hear you.
Sorry, your Ring doorbell senses motion from here, 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 and even here.
Oh, I like that. I can hear you.
Every home is different from the next. That's why we've created a wide range of Ring Video Doorbells to choose from. You can hardwire it right in. Or if you want to keep it simple, use the rechargeable battery. New construction? Great. Install the Elite model right into your custom wiring.
Well, I live here. What you got for me?
No doorbell? No problem. Our peephole cam turns any peephole into a video doorbell. And you can still look right through your door.
So that's what I look like on camera.
Yeah.
I look good.
The Ring Video Doorbell allows you to connect to other Ring devices to form a ring of security around your home. If it senses motion, it sets off your lights. If your alarm goes off, know what's happening right away.
Hey, you're not getting into my house, mister. Busted, got him. Right?
It works with Alexa,
Someone is at the front door.
I'll be right down.
and if it's someone you know,
Hi, Mrs. Randall. Hi, can you let us in?
unlock the door right from the Ring app.
Nope, I'm out.
Get to know your neighbors with the Ring Neighbors app and stay informed through posts, footage, and crime alerts.
Wow, cool. Well, thanks. That's informative. I'm gonna get going.
Good idea. So that's the Ring Video Doorbell. No matter who stops by and no matter where you are, with Ring, you're always home.